comma. Only then we can see the specific result. In order to remove that comma, alright guys, come back to your main.js and then you're gonna scroll down. Okay, do you see this ending curly bracket before this one? Okay, do you see this one here? Just before this one, right? Dot join. Okay, bracket, then double quote. Okay, done. Save the thing. Let's look at the result. There we go. The comma are gone. But guys, look at this. The data did not get changed. Okay, but we want them to get changed automatically. How do we want the thing? We want the thing to get changed automatically. In order to do that, it's very simple, guys. Look at this. Do you remember the X that I wrote? You see, it means that we're targeting all of them one by one. So how many times the map will run? First of all, tell me how many data we have. We have 4 data. So the map will run 1. So now look at this. Do you see this X here? Let's just come here and do you see this casual shirt? Remove the casual shirt like this. Okay, now you're gonna write here $, curly bracket, then you're gonna write here X dot. Why did I write the dot? Because it is actually an object. So what did I specify here? This is an object, right? That's why the X is object. Now look at this. Do you see this name here? Just copy the name. Okay, scroll down and do you see this one here? Just paste the thing like this. There we go, done. Save the thing. Now let's look at the result. Okay, if you see this name, then you're gonna see that the tags got changed. Look at this. This is casual shirt, this is office shirt, this is t-shirt, this is men's suit. Okay, but the image didn't get changed. Look at this. We're gonna do the same thing for the price. Look at this. It's very simple. Look at this. Remove the 45, but don't remove this $. Okay, hit a space. Now write $, curly bracket, X dot what was it? Price, right? P-R-I-E. If you are not sure about the spelling, if you're not sure about the spelling, just come here. Okay, now let's look at the result. You see the price also got changed. You see that? Brilliant. Now guys, look at this. Can you see this? Every time you have to use the X, you gotta write X dot, X dot, X dot. That's annoying, right? So in order to prevent that, we're gonna use something called destructuring. Okay, it's very fun to use. Look at this. So look at this. How many things do we have inside the object? We have image, we have name, price, description, image. Okay, so now in order to use all of them, look at this. I'm gonna destructure the thing. Okay, so come here and then you're gonna write here let. Okay, or not here, sorry guys, my bad. It should be actually inside here. This is map here. It should be inside the map. Okay, so you're gonna write here let curly bracket equal to X. Okay, now do you see these things here? Just copy them one by one. Okay, copy them, put it here, and then you're gonna hit comma. All right, now let's get the name. Paste the thing here, get the price, and also make sure to put a comma, paste the thing. Okay, then lastly we have the description and the image. So comma DSC comma IMG. Save the thing. There we go. Now guys, you don't have to write the X dot anymore. Okay, so let's remove the thing like this. Okay, let's remove the thing from here as well. There we go. Let's look at the result. So we got the exact same result, okay, by writing this line of code and also doing these changes. By the way guys, why do we write X dot, X dot, X dot? Here's a question. You might have a question, right? So what is this? This is an object, right? So in order to access the object, we write it like this. Look, ABC dot, sorry, what was the name of the thing? Shop items data, right? So let's copy the thing. So let's assume the thing is an object. Okay, if you want to access the price, you just write the object name and then you have to write the dot price like this. Okay, that's why guys we had to write the X dot name, because the thing is an object. Okay, because we specified the thing here as an object. Okay, I really hope that you understood up to this point and everything. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna remove the thing and then I'm gonna save it. Okay, now guys, do you see this? Where's the image? Here's the image, right? Copy the thing, remove it from here. Okay, source equal to $, curly bracket, paste the thing. Done. Save it. Let's look at the result. There we go. Can you see that? Now we have different images. It looks just like our finalized project. Can you see that? Brilliant guys. Next up, do you see this description here? Yeah, we're gonna change the description. In order to do that, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna remove this one. Okay, next up, write $, curly bracket, curly bracket, and then you're gonna write here description, DESC. Done. Let's look at the result. There we go guys. Okay, we are successful up to this point and everything. Okay, alright guys, if you notice carefully, then you can see that we use the image, description, price, and the name, but we didn't use the ID. Okay, we're gonna use the ID inside the parent. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna write here ID. So we're gonna write here ID, okay, equal to, we're gonna write here product